In one of my previous video, I have mentioned about various problems faced by gardeners when growing succulents like aloe vera. They are easy to care plants, but that just mean they are not required to be watered daily. What happens with beginner gardeners is that they tend to overcare for their plant, which makes them water the plant more frequently than what is required and hence resulting in killing the plant. In my previous video, I have also mentioned about underwatering and overwatering in succulents. Overwatering is more dangerous compared to underwatering because an underwatered succulent can survive longer compared to an overwatered plant. But still, an overwatered succulent has still a smaller chance of survival if the plant is bigger. So today's video is on how to save an overwatered aloe vera. This pot was so full that I missed to notice any root rot until a portion of the plants started dying. The rest of the plants looked healthy, but I knew they will also die eventually. So I was left with no option other than repotting it. Even if I repot it, the affected smaller pups will die, but I could try to save the bigger plant. Actually, it was kept in this sunny spot in my balcony. So I'm assuming overcrowding is also one of the reasons for a root rot. Here I have removed all the plants from the pot. This is the mother plant. When I touch, I can feel the roots are rotten here. So here, in order to save this plant, I need to cut off all the rotten part. And do the same with the rest of the aloe bulbs as well. After removing the rotten parts, you need to let the cut heal or dry up by keeping the plant in a shady place for 2 to 3 days. Otherwise, the plant will die. As you can see here, the cut has dried out well before replanting it. Make sure you're planting it in a well-draining soil. Since this is a bigger plant, I'm keeping a stone at the base for some support. Similarly, I'll be planting the rest of the aloe bulbs as well in different pots. Keep them in shade for some time and water it only after 1 week. This pot of aloe vera was kept outdoors in my balcony. But when the summer heat started getting intense and the leaves started browning, I moved it indoors. A week or two after that, the plant started slanting. On examining, I found one leaf was rotting, so I removed it and placed a stone at the base to support the plant. A week later, the situation got worse and I realized the plant is rotting from the base. More leaves are rotten now and the top part of the mother plant came off. There's no way to save the base part and I'll be trying to save the top part and the aloe bulbs. I checked the soil, it wasn't too soggy or wet. So I'm assuming maybe it's the change in temperature from outdoors to indoors which caused this. To try repotting the top part, I have removed all the rotten leaves and washed it. And let the cut heal before planting it. This is the repotted aloe vera after 1 month. An important point to note is, always make sure to completely remove any rotten part before repotting it. Otherwise, it will spread to rest of the plant, killing it. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Please comment below any of your queries and suggestions. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and tap the bell icon to receive notifications of all my future videos.